Wall is bubbling up here by the bunks, and the paint is peeling off.
Yeah, I see it. Let me document that. Definitely not what we want to see.
We were supposed to bring our dream RV home today, but our walkthrough revealed a massive problem. Let me show you how it all went wrong.
I was just trying to get through a normal workday when the dealership called.
Am I talking to Santosh?
Yes, this is Santosh.
Hey Santosh, this is Sam from the RV dealership.
Hey Sam, how are you?
I am good. I wanted to let you know your trailer is ready for inspection. Can you come by tomorrow to look at it and complete final stage of the delivery?
Oh, really? That's great news. I'll be there. Swati, I just got the call. The RV is ready for inspection tomorrow.
Oh my god, finally! The kids are going to be so happy!
I know. It's going to be a big surprise.
We have a very special secret for you.
Tomorrow morning?
We're going to get our RV.
Yay!
Yes, really. Now go to sleep, you two.
Wake up! Wake up! It's morning! We have to go! I'm so excited we're picking up the RV today! Come on, get up!
Okay, we're up, Ryan.
We are getting our RV today!
Yee-yee!
All right, let's get ready.
Do you have the car key?
Right here.
Are you guys ready to go?
Yes, we are!
All right, team, let's load up.
I call the window seat.
You always get the window seat. Buckle up.
All right, you are set?
All secure.
Snug as a bug. You are ready. You grabbed the dealer paperwork, right? And we are good on the RV insurance?
The insurance. Right. I need to make a really quick phone call.
Dad, don't forget that one.
Right. I'll get it. Don't worry.
And what about the RV brake controller?
We got that. All hooked up.
Hey, Ryan, you excited, buddy? We're almost there.
I'm sad for the trailer. And I love my trailer and I want to invite all my friends.
Oh, really? And who do you want to invite?
I want to invite Luke, Harry, Pixie, Aaron, Avian, and Vet.
All right, the dealership is just 2 miles away. Everyone ready to see it?
Yay!
Here we go. Let's go pick up our new home.
Santosh and Swati, welcome. It is so great to meet you. She is all prepped and waiting in the lot. Let's go take a look.
The walkthrough started great. We learned about the water pumps, the black tanks, and the electrical fuses. Everything seemed completely normal until we stepped inside.
As you can see, we went inside for our detailed walkthrough and inspection. But you are not going to believe what we found. Next, we will show you what actually happened.
The wall is bubbling up here by the bunks, and the paint is peeling off.
Yeah, I see it. Let me document that. Definitely not what we want to see.
We absolutely cannot take a defective unit. Look at how it's clustering. This isn't just cosmetic, Santosh. Bubbling means moisture is already trapped behind this panel.
If water is already inside the walls,
This is a complete deal breaker. This is supposed to be our brand new home.
I do not want to spend our weekends running back and forth to a service center. You're right, we have to tell Sam no. Swati was documenting the bubbling wall, but right next to her, I felt my heart sinking too. Everything went silent. All the excitement, the dreams we just had, it was all collapsing. Sam, unfortunately, because of those defects we found, we cannot accept this specific unit.
We really don't want to start our new adventure by chasing a service center for repairs.
I completely understand. I am so sorry about that unit. You are absolutely right to refuse it. Hold on, let me go speak with my director. I will be right back. Folks, I am so sorry about that unit. You were absolutely right to refuse it. But I have great news. We have an identical, flawless unit on the lot, and it is yours if you want it.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much for making this right.
Fantastic. I'll have it brought up to the lot tonight. It will be fully prepped and ready for you to pick up tomorrow. Does that work? That sounds perfect.
I know we didn't get to bring our camper home today, kids.
But tomorrow we are picking up the perfect one.
You promise? The new one won't be broken?
Pinky promise, buddy. It's going to be absolutely perfect.
Would you have walked away from a brand new unit? Tell me in the comments and hit subscribe for part 3 to see if tomorrow's trailer is actually perfect.